Hello traders, today is January 12th, 2021, and what we're looking at is the market beginning to drop and go lower. This is something that I've been expecting the market to do, and here's an opportunity to look at how we can go short, where, at what price we can go short. Before I begin and before I show you the signals, trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. A disclaimer on the risks involved with trading. So if I add here for example, the DayTradeToWin at the open software. The software usually provides one or two signals throughout the day, but really we're going to focus on the morning for the at the open method. And the two signals generated by the at the open this morning is a long here at about 10:30, and we have a short here that's also beginning to appear. The market is dropping, so it's interesting that the market is going short. 37.8850 is your opportunity to go short. Now what the at the open method does is it looks for the initial direction that the market wants to go, whether that be long or whether that be short. And I also recommend that we trade the at the open method in the beginning of the day. The earlier the better. Here we're coming into the afternoon or the mid part of the day, the lunchtime. It's now closer to 12 o'clock than it is to the open of the day. So this specifically is not the best time to think about the relationship between, as the market opens, there's a push that occurs either up or down, and we have an opportunity. It's not really the same thing. But I do want to show you the orders that the at the open method produces. And you're going to see here in just a minute that there's going to be another signal here to go short. Now when this signal occurs, remember I keep my eye on the current conditions. The current conditions are right now 4 points using a 5-minute chart. So we have to wait a little bit to see when this signal is going to occur. I know it's going to occur because I teach the method, and everyone who has the at the open method also learns how the method works. So we can actually anticipate where to go short. Now besides that, we have a few minutes for this to occur. Besides that, what I'm going to do is switch gears here and add the Trade Scalper again. Another method that we could use to say should we buy or should we sell. So I'm going to come down here to the Trade Scalper 4, the latest version of the software, and click OK. And we're using a 5-minute chart, but obviously the Trade Scalper method works on 1 minute or a range chart. Not that you can't use a 5-minute chart, but it's scalping. Scalping is a smaller target, smaller time frame. So we're going to use a 1-minute chart. And so here we have an entry to go short at about 11:49. And let me go back here. Another entry to go short at about 11:31. And here's a long trade. This trade at 11 o'clock was a losing trade. So here you have a losing trade. Here's a long trade, 37.99. Here's a short trade here at 37.95 quarter, and so on. And now we're waiting for the next signal on the Trade Scalper. Now in addition, we also have the Atlas line. So let's see what the Atlas line is doing. So I'm going to add the Atlas line here. So as you can see, this is not anything that I'm optimizing or picking and choosing. I'm just adding the software to the charts. My time zone is Eastern Time, New York time zone, 9:30. Here I'm going to add the Atlas line. And the Atlas line is indicating here below the Atlas line, as you can see, it's focusing on short trades. Above the Atlas line is focusing on long trades. And so here, if you are going to take a signal this afternoon on January 12th, currently it's 12:11 p.m. Eastern Standard. It's a live market. Your opportunities now will only be sells. So only sell the market, short the market, be a seller. Do not buy this market until or if the market comes back and crosses back above the Atlas line, or you have multiple long signals indicating long, that things have changed, then you could say now I'm going long because things have changed. But for this moment in time, all the traders that I work with should be selling the market and selling it hard. Tomorrow may be another day, maybe a long opportunity. So here are the short examples. Let's see if we have some opportunities here to go short. So let me go back to the 5-minute chart and remove here the Trade Scalper, and I'm going to remove the Atlas line. So I mentioned to you a little while ago that the at the open method is going to indicate another short signal. So here it is, 37.3350. So this is very specific to go short. This is the at the open method. So we have the long that occurred earlier as soon as the market opened, about an hour after, and now we have a short. Now we have a short. If anyone has any questions, DayTradeToWin.com, there's a contact us page. We offer multiple programs, including a mentorship program that includes all of the software at a discounted price. If you have any questions before joining up, let us know. Thank you and have a great day. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.